Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I am going to show you 5 ways you can fix your Elementor not loading issue. So let's get started. First, go to your website dashboard and then check your PC configuration. First, check your PC version and then check your PC memory limit. So these are very important for us. If this value is lower, then we need to increase this. Secondly, we need to install a plugin. So let's go to install a plugin, add new. Now on the search bar here, search for WP Optimizer. Now this is the plugin we are going to install. Let's click on install now. Click on activate. Now on the left panel, scroll down and go to the WP Optimize. Now scroll down and select Optimize. And then click on run all selected Optimize. Now this plugin will clear your all cache. Then hopefully this issue will be fixed. Okay, optimization done. Now go back to your Elementor editor panel and then reload this. Now hopefully this step work for you. If this doesn't work, then go to our third step. Now we need to check our plugins, installed plugins. Now we need to deactivate all of our supporting Elementor plugin. So now let's check which one Elementor supporting. This one Elementor add-ons and essential add-ons. Scroll down, the plus add-ons, ultimate Elementor add-ons. So these are Elementor extension. So we need to deactivate this plugin. So let's click on bulk action and then select on deactivate. Now click on apply. Okay, now the Elementor helping plugin deactivate. Now let's check our Elementor loading panel. Now hopefully this step will work for you. If this step doesn't work, then go to our fourth step. So now go back to our admin panel and then go to the settings and then click on general. So we have to check these two address URL. Now let's go to number 5. On the left panel, go to the Elementor and then go to the settings. Now switch to the advanced and then switch editor loading method. So let's click on that and make it enable and then go to the save changes, click on that. So after update, now let's check your website. Now this is our final step. Hopefully this step will be work. So this is how you can fix your Elementor not loading issue. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.